Hi everybody, this is Jonah Glasgo here. I am with Linda Projects. We are now introducing our new project, Linda X. This is a decentralized currency that is going to be specifically based off of Ethereum's current model, but the consensus has been changed to proof of authority. This allows us to be able to work with validators, consortiums, and small businesses, as well as LLC corporations, any type of business that effectively is looking to get into blockchain integration. What this allows is for people to create tokens, much like what is currently done on the Ethereum network, but it's effectively changed to be able to allow us to remove the what-if questions that are currently asked. There's a lot of what-if questions that we find currently asked right now, whether this project will make it to the market. We also ask, is this project actually going to be successful? What Linda X does is it allows us to effectively change the way that people perceive projects from the beginning, because we are doing a consensus model that changes it. So we're able to pre-vet the companies that come in. It allows us to create new value and new opportunities for professionalism in cryptocurrency where it never was before. I think for mass adoption to move forward, this is one of the most effective things that Linda is going to incentivize with Linda X. We want to be able to promote mass adoption for all currencies, all businesses, anyone that effectively wants to integrate into blockchain. And in order for us to do that, we need to effectively create a better environment for everybody to participate in. So by doing this, Linda X is able to create these tokens, and stay tuned for the white paper.
Cool. So where can we get Linda? What exchanges is it listed on right now?
Linda is currently listed on Cryptopia as one of our major ones. We also are listed on Coin Exchange. Some of the other ones you might also be able to notice is Bitflip. We also are on Nanix Exchange, BTC Alpha. We're slowly growing every day. So you can see here that we have lots of availability for you to effectively acquire Linda.
So what website can you find more information about?
You can find more information about Linda at lindacoin.com. And you can also find more information about our upcoming projects and our white paper that's going to be released here soon on Twitter. You can follow us on Twitter at lindaprojects.
Cool. So can you tell us about this Coinfolio?
Yeah. So right now we have actually partnered with Whopper.io. Whopper.io is one of the best cold storage wallets that we've actually found. They've partnered with us and allowed us to provide a card for users, which is really nice. This card is very much like cold storage, where it allows users now to effectively track their Linda on their phone. Yeah. Sorry about that.
No.
So,
Definitely.
yeah, by tracking, obviously Linda on your phone and being able to have it on a card in your wallet, this allows us to now be able to attach that to a mobile app, which of course then you can see that also on your phone.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Great. Thank you very much.
Hey, not a problem.